Regardless of what you think about Apple products, they are elegantly designed, precise in engineering, and most importantly, they're very simple to use. Well, we've got the Many Wonders wallet we have to look at today, and you know, it probably could have been created by Apple. Here we go. This is the Many Wonders Cascade. This is a pop-up box, but look at what it comes in. This is yet another box, and this is heavy. I mean, the box itself here weighs 4 ounces or 115 grams, and that's before we actually get into the wallet itself. Notice that it has a magnetic closure here. I mean, look at the thickness of this. And let's see, looks like we have a little transparency. I'm sure that's to protect the top of the wallet from this. And let's see if we can get it out. I mean, the tolerances on this are so tight. Let's set this aside. And then it looks like we still have it secured inside of another frame. Let's see if we can get this out. There we go. Has some instructions on it. And here we go. Here is the wallet. This is the Many Wonders Cascade. I did it in silver, so it's easier to look at. But it is quite cool. I mean, it just feels great. A little big, but it is a box wallet. That's what kind of you'd expect there. Let's see. We've got a little door at the top. We'll talk about that. Yeah. There's your ejection button. This is really intriguing. And these have a purpose. We'll talk about that. There you go. Now you'd expect this wallet to be presented on a white background, rotating with Apple design chief Sir John Ivey making profound statements about how wonderful the product is. So why did the industrial designers at Many Wonders engage in a wallet like this? Let's take a look at the features. From a feature perspective, it has one interior card slot. Right here is a box wallet where cards go and they eject this way. This little door here is to help protect the cards from falling out, but again, we'll discuss that. If we look at the side, this here is a flush retracting money clip. I put this here so you can see it. You can see how it comes out just enough to be able to hold cash that's folded twice, and then when not in use, it retracts. That's really cool. I like that. And then on the side here, it has 2 ports. And this is where you attach their mounting ports for the case, the exterior case that we'll put on and show you. Let's look at the case itself. This is a genuine leather case. I have some concerns about that. I'll talk about it later. But if we look at the exterior, there are no features. But if we look in the interior here, we can see that we have 1, 2, and 3, 4 card slots. If we look in the top here, we have a billfold pocket. This is where you can put cash. And you see these 2 metal stubs right here. This is what attaches to the ports on the back of the wallet right here. So let's do that. Let's get this on and attached. There you go. And with that, we have the Velcro closure, comes around and keeps this wallet safe. It measures 3.9 by 2.6 by 0.4, and it weighs 84 grams or 2.96 ounces. That's a hefty wallet. Elegance of this wallet is very attractive if you like precision and simplicity. But why would Apple not create this wallet? Well, let's think about that a little bit.
As you can see, it fits in the pocket just fine. This is a front pocket only, being that it's a box wallet, so don't put it in the back.
Designed in Toronto, Canada, this is made in China. It appears to be made from aluminum, but no other information is available on what that aluminum is. I'm not sure exactly, but due to machine materials, it inherently has RFID blocking in it. And the case is made from a premium leather that I mentioned, but I found on the website that it is genuine leather. So, you know, you'd think that for the price that you'd be paying, it would be full grain veg tan for this, especially with the premium feel that they have going along with the overall cost of the wallet. Now, the wallet itself costs $159. The case is $39, so it is quite expensive. Now, minimalist carry on this, I'd say would be 4 cards. Maximum would be 6 or 7 in there. And of course, if you have embossed cards like this, it's less, it's 5. Now, what I found interesting here is that the cash cannot be put in as a billfold. It will not fit when it's open. The cash just is too long, which I can understand because of the design of the wallet, but design is taken precedent over functionality here. And so this is kind of useless because you have to fold your cash once anyway to go in here. I guess it's a mechanism to carry your cash, but if we take cash and set it aside, we can actually then use without the case. And let's remove the case from the wallet here. There we go. We can take this, lift this little money clip, get your cash in there that folds, works really well, and really isn't too bad, to be honest. I really like this concept because when it's not in use, it retracts back, and this is flush. Very quite nice. The case is the best I've seen by way of its functionality because it has these ports. And so instead of it being glued on like we see with SECRID or other wallets, it is mechanically attached. And I really like that, besides the deficiency I see with the cash in the case itself. Now, I've not been a big fan of cases that have been glued on, and that's why I like this port connector here. I wish the connection on the case itself was something other than Velcro. A little more premium, a snap or something like that. And again, a more premium leather, full grain veg tan wouldn't be a problem here if they really put the effort into it. Now, of course, my largest complaint is without a dampening system on this wallet, which is why we have this little door here. You can see the cards just, they do that. There is no dampener on the sides like we see with other wallets like Ekster or SECRID. And without that, they were then forced to put this little door on the top here. And the door is okay, but it could have been opened if it could have been removed if dampeners were put on both sides, and then we're able to get the cards out. See, it just launches without having them go all over the place. And then, of course, the other problem is that you need to open this door every single time you want to gain access to your cards. So this is not a one-handed operation unless you can reach around or you take your thumb and do that. Then you have to do this, and I don't know. I think they could have solved this problem a lot better than the way they did. So, looks like it may have gotten a little bit stuck here. There we go. All right, goes back in. There we go. But it does protect from debris, dust, those kinds of things from getting into the internal mechanism. And I do like this little button right here. It's actually pretty good. And it does come with a 24-month manufacturer defect warranty, and it feels premium. So would this pass as an Apple product? I would say it would be a nice prototype, but it has a way to go from clean lines in the same font to become an Apple experience. And that said, it's still a pretty sleek wallet. Now on to the final score. Quality of 5. Price of 1, features of 3, usability of 3, and perception of 3. That gives us a final score of 32 out of 50. If you want to see other metal wallets, look at these here in these videos, and I think you'll like what you see. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.